You're about to bust a freestyle on your ass. Ready, fools? Yo, I got round skills and mastery that class global natural catastrophe. Trying to mess with me, nigga, I'll kill you just like a factory and kill your whole faculty. Punch you in the face and charge you with battery. I'm a freestyler that's ill, so you trying to mess with me. You were scared to battle me. I'm telling you right now from the beginning when I bring in the singing, niggas wanna fuck with me, but they can't cause they all busting liquor. You think you're nice as me? Haha, you's a funny nigga. I've been undefeated since the day I was born, nigga, that's it. You on YouTube watching this stuff and I was born and bored. Listen, nigga, I chase you down from the east to the west coast when you're bored. I said I make you toast, trying to fuck with me, nigga. I don't even boast. I'm about to throw you right in the pin. That's it, I win. Trying to mess with me, that's it. You about to be spin right in the face. Wanna mess with me? Now you be amazed at my skills. Yo, let this girl run on my Wizard 101. She kinda weird, but sometimes fun. Her name is Vanessa Knight Song, and she songs like at night, cause that's her name. Yeah, she's kinda lame. Yeah, I'm just playing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, girl. You know?